What's up guys, Tim Queen here. Today we're going to talk about what you can do as a professional blogger or journalist on your LinkedIn page. How can you promote your blog or your website that you're working for? Now, if you're working on a traditional newspaper, it's quite easy. You just put in the name of your company. But what if you have a blog? You just create a LinkedIn page with the name of your blog. That could be, for example, if you're writing under your own name, timqueen.com, you can put your domain name in there. You create a LinkedIn page for your blog. And then you are putting up the logo, you're adding your website, you're connecting to all of your different social media accounts. And then when you go to your LinkedIn profile, you add your own LinkedIn page as your current work experience. And then you can go into the description section and tell people exactly who you're writing for, what are kind of the topics and themes that people can expect reading your blog. You can put in the URL of your blog. And that's really a great conversation starter. You can also use your LinkedIn company page and invite some of your connections. You have at about 100 invitations every month that you can invite new people. And it's like another way how you can promote your articles on LinkedIn. There is plenty of social media publishing tools where you can automatically schedule all of your new articles. So whenever you're publishing a new article on your blog, it will be automatically published on your LinkedIn company page for your blog. And all of your subscribers will see that in your newsfeed. And it's a great way how to drive free traffic to your blog. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn to drive traffic from LinkedIn to your small business, to your blog, whatever you're doing as a small business or consultant, check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, which I put down in the comment below. And I see you next one. Make sure that you subscribe, turn notification bell on for more videos about LinkedIn marketing strategies that really work.